Sorry for that. There was a network error and call has ended. So let's continue the session. So I'm going to tell you what are the questions you want to write there. Questions මොනවාද කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ ඊළඟට.
Not clear.
Hello, ඇහෙන්නද?
Not clear.
What about now? Can you hear me now? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
ඇහෙනවද පුතේ?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's start to write the questions. අපි questions ටික ලියාගමු එහෙනම්. All right, start to write the questions. So listening part 1, this is listening part 1. Then question number 1. This is question number 1. So who is the girl in the blue dress? That's playing badminton. Who is the girl? Who is the girl in the blue dress that playing badminton? Badminton.
You're right.
Oh. Teacher screen එක වැටිලා නැහැ teacher ප්‍රශ්න excuse me teacher.
Yes, hello.
Jan teacher screen
Yes,
එක වැටිලා නැහැ questions ටික.
දැන් මම write කරන එක පේන්නේ නැද්ද? Hello? Hello? දැන් පේනවද? Question එක පේනවද miss? Hello?
Teacher screen එකේ වැටිලා නැහැ questions ටික.
Now can you see? Hello? දැන් පේනවද පුතේ? Now can you see? Hello? Hello, can you see now? Hello, can you hear me now? Teacher, ඇහෙනවද පුතේ දැන්? Hello?
Yes.
දැන් whiteboard එක පේනවද පුතේ?
Now I can.
Whiteboard එක පේනවද?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start now.
Yes, teacher. Oh. The good.
This is the first question. So let's move to the second one. Number 3. Who is the boy under the tree?
Teacher.
Who is the boy? Yes, darling. Yes. Question 4. Who is the girl in the long blue dress? Who is the girl? Long blue dress. Last one, last question is, who is the boy kicking the ball? Who is the boy kicking the ball? These are the questions you want to write down. So this is listening part 1. All right. Okay, have you finished? Or still
Yes.
writing?
No.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. What about the others? Anita, Lilivarada?
Who is
Have you all finished? Ivaradu Pudeliyala?
I
Right. Teacher Henang picture the. Okay, Hiroshi and also Nurek, have you finished? Yoshel and Myangana, I hope you all have finished. All right, let's start.
Yes. Yes.
This is the picture, so I hope you all can see the picture.
Yes.
Part 1. Look at part 1. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Where's Jane?
She's in the garden. She's playing badminton.
Is she the girl in the red dress?
That is the
Yes, she
example.
is.
Okay, I see her.
That is the example. Don't do that.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
I am here.
So who's the girl in the blue dress?
The girl who's playing badminton or the girl who's bouncing a ball?
The girl who's playing badminton.
That's Sally.
Sally.
That's right. Two.
Teacher, I can't hear.
Where's Jane's brother?
Jane's brother. Oh, you mean
I
Paul.
can't hear.
Right. Paul. Is he the boy who's kicking a ball?
Yes, පුතා හැමෝටම ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද? ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද පුතේ?